Special coverage for the LM2 just released. Look at that, 21 through 23 vehicles. Obviously the 23 is going to be the SUVs, but 2021 to 2023, you now have a 150,000 mile coverage, 15 years on the coolant control valve. This just came out. This is Special Coverage N252508341, LM2 coolant control valve replacement. Now, what it is coverage for any issue with your coolant control valve if it fails within that time period. Now, failure is based on diagnosis, obviously, so you may get a P1098 code stored, it may be leaking, or another symptom is the fans running at full blast whenever you shut it off, but it will need to be diagnosed first. Here is the updated part number, which I believe is the same part number that's been passed around for a couple months now. These are fairly easy to get in comparison to what they were before. Now, if you have an LZ0, there was recently a coverage released for the LZ0 as well, so be sure to check out that other video if you have an LZ0. But this one applies to the LM2 only. So if you have a vehicle that falls under this, you will most likely get a letter in the mail that looks like this, and that's going to tell you about the coverage. Now, it's not a guaranteed coverage. You need to have the VIN number ran and confirm coverage through IVH at the dealership, and they will verify, obviously, and then they're going to need to diagnose it. And then if it falls under this, then it will be covered again for that 15 years, 150,000 miles. Now, for the people that already replaced it, because obviously these are 2021 to 2023 and warranty is probably out for many of those, there is actually a way to get reimbursement, and that information is on the letter. So a lot of people are going to be very happy about this right now, I believe. So be sure to share this with all of your friends who may have one of these vehicles, and rest assured, it looks like these are covered 15 years. That's a long time, 150,000 miles. That's GM standing up for the product right there. I love to see this for the vehicle owners. I think this is fantastic. Let me know if you've replaced yours, how many times you've had yours replaced, and if this makes you as happy as I think it's going to make a lot of people. Till next time, see ya.